welcome back to my channel. So as promised, I got my Ipsy box. This is the one that you get every 3 months, and this one was in collab with Addison. So I'm super excited to get inside. Obviously you do pick some of the items are picked by them or her, but yeah, these are every 3 months, and I'm so glad I get these because I get really cool stuff in here. If you do like these videos, like, comment, subscribe, on with it. So this is the box as always. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it right here so you guys can see as I'm picking out the stuff. So if you open it, it says Glam Bag X. So this is the Glam Bag X, which is, like I said, the ones every 3 months. I know sometimes with these videos we sound a little repetitive, and it's just because there's 3 different ones, 3 different sizes, 3 different prices, as I explained in my Ipsy Studios Open Studios opening a couple videos back. So then this is what you get inside. So it's like a little newspaper, and obviously Miss Addison Rae is on it. And then it says curated by Addison Rae. Flash forward, it says getting friends, we're tripping back to the 90s. So then it gives like a little explanation, which you can go ahead and read. And then it says Addison's most trusted products curated just for you. So obviously she picked out things that she loves, that she uses, that she knows about. And then obviously it gives you the name, the prices, all the information about each of the products that are inside. And then there's more. As always, as I pick out an item, I'll go ahead and tell you the size and the price and all of that, just so you can have an idea. So the first thing I see is this little thing that is wrapped, and I remember picking this out. It's like a little black bag. Oh, this is super cute. It can be used as a little makeup pouch, or even I think a crossbody. I think it brings little straps inside. So it's gold zipper, has a little pink Ipsy like charm hanging, and it brings this, and this is how it looks inside with the little Ipsy logo. And I was right, it brings a little strap. So let's go ahead and open it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the little thingy right here. Perfect. And then it's a little cute bag. You can literally carry it like that, or like I said, you don't have to wear it with the little strap and just use it as a little makeup bag. Super cute. I love it. I'm glad I picked this one. And then let me see if that one has a price. And by the way, I just dyed my hair, so obviously you can still see a little black. So I'm gonna go ahead and look through here and see if we see the little bag. Okay, it says Ipsy Faux Black Bag. It was $19. Forget the flowers and chocolate, treat yourself. Super cute. So yeah, it's a faux croc bag. So now you know it's $19. And then next thing I see is little pink packaging. And then it says MZ Skin. And then it says Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. So it's eye serum, and it has a hyaluronic. So obviously you guys know that I'm up for anything that has hyaluronic in it. So let's take it out of the thing. Oh, it has a nice weight to it. It has like a gold packaging, and then it's like pink, and it has a gold lettering. Pretty sure you can see it there. Like that. And this one is 14 ml, so 0.47 fluid ounces. So let's go ahead and open it. It does have a little protector. It has a very light smell to it, but it's thick, very thick cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back, and then we're gonna go ahead and see obviously more skincare, so I'm very happy for that. And I don't have an eye cream, so it says MZ. Let's see if we can find it. MZ. Okay, MZ Skin Soothe and Smooth Hyaluronic Brightening Eye Complex. $143, guys. Guys, this is crazy. $143 for this. Literally, it says it. Let me see if you guys can see it. It says it right there. $143. Well, now we know we got more expensive skincare, so it must be really good. I will use it. I will incorporate it into my skincare routine and keep you guys updated. Moving forward, I see Item Beauty, and it's on the Daily Eyeshadow Palette. Obviously the beautiful blue packaging. And it looks like that. It says 10 shadows, shades, all day, every day. So we're gonna go ahead and open it, and then you can rip off this little thing and then just push it back. Wow, I love this little blue packaging. Oh my god, it's all neutral shades. Oh, I think I'm gonna take this with me. I'm going on a little 3-day trip now on the weekend for the long weekend. So I might take this with me. All natural, very pretty shades. Obsessed, like a lot, gimme, go to, please, must, ride or die, gotta have it, sidekick, and I love you so much. So yeah, this is really pretty. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check the price. And then obviously, if you guys don't know, Item Beauty is by Addison Rae. She's the one that made the brand. And the eyeshadow palette is $24. So really good price for really nice palette and shades. Not mad at that. Alright, so I see another skincare. And now actually I've seen this skincare brand for forever, like literally everywhere. And it's Tula Skincare, and it's 24/7 moisturizer, hydrating day and night cream. And I've always wanted to try it. I've always been very intrigued. I see like their packaging is always so pretty, and they always have like very different things. So I'm very interested in it. Like, it is a moisture cream for hydrating and night cream. So let's go and see. Actually, I want to smell it. Probiotics and superfoods. Helps calm the look of irritation. Oh wow. Okay, it doesn't have much of a scent to it, but it does look like that. And it's some on the cap. But another skincare that I will be adding. Oh, the inside is really pretty too. Okay, so then let's go ahead and look for Tula Skincare. I told you guys in the last video that this box had really good things, and I wasn't lying. Okay, Item Beauty. Where's the skincare? Okay, Tula Skincare 24/7 hydrating day and night cream. $52, guys. And Addison gives a tip. She says, give yourself a soothing and lifting facial massage as you work in this moisturizer. So it's right there. And it's $52. Love that. Next thing I see, it's this packaging. It says Black Magic Uoma Beauty Black Magic Hypnotic Impact High Shine Lipstick. Pretty cool. So it looks like that. Oh wow. Off the bat, a super cool packaging. Red, has black letters, and then like the 3D effect on the top. Guys, by the way, my nails are super black now because I dyed my hair and the dye got everywhere. I'm dying to do my nails. I haven't done them probably since December, which is kind of crazy. But oh wow, guys, what is this called? Love. The shade name is Love, but I need you guys to see this. Look how shiny. Wow. Okay, let me swatch it right here. Oh, that's really pretty. I don't have anything like this at all. Almost no smell to it. Okay. I love that. So like I said, it was the shade Love. Now let me see if I find something to take this off of my hand. Ay, ay, ay. Wrong spot to put something. But yeah, it's very glittery, guys, by the way. So if you don't like glitter, you're probably not gonna like that. So let's see. Uoma Beauty. It says Black Magic Hypnotic High Shine Lipstick in Love, and it's $24. Oh wow. Addison's tip is if you don't have blush, you can even add it. Tap a tiny bit of this lipstick on your cheeks and blend for a soft flush. I love that idea. So you're in a hurry, you don't have blush, you can use this. And you can just put it on the high points of your cheeks and you're good to go. So far we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the little bag 5 items. And then I see the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Believe it or not, I've always wanted to try it, but I've never had one. I've never gotten my hands on one. I do love their brow pencils. That's actually what I use today in the color Ebony, the Brow Wiz. I love that. I go between this one and the Kai Brow one. And then this, like it says, it's just a clear gel, and then you just run through your eyebrows to set them in place. But I love this. Perfect. I can take it with me on my trip. So let me see how much is that. And guys, remember, all of these are full-size products. Where are you, Anastasia? Where are you? IG. Okay, so the clear brow gel is $22. Perfect. All right, so I'll put it over here. And then, oh, this is my favorite thing in the box. When I saw that she was putting these in the boxes, and if you guys remember my last video, actually my closet tour. Let me know if you watched my closet tour. This is one of the items from the box, and you guys know very well these are the only sunglasses that I wear. You can see my Instagram, like my stories, my pictures. These are the, and for a matter of fact, they're the size mini, so the only ones that fit me. So like I said, amazing product to put in here. I've never, in all the amount of years that I've been with Ipsy, the creators, like, or the boxes or bags, no one has ever put sunglasses. So the fact that she did this, I mean, she already won me over. These are the, I'm pretty sure these are the black, yeah, the black smoke, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, I had them and then I lost them. And then I had to reorder them because now I wear like the fade ones that go like from the black to like the like white gray. But these are all black. Like I said, they're the mini, it says it right there. And yeah, I love these. As you can see, these are size mini and they're still, but I love these. These are my favorite sunglasses. And if I am not mistaken, these are 60 bucks. Obviously, if you buy them online, you can get, they always have deals on Quay. That's the name of them, Quay. You could get deals, but yeah, I usually get them on the Quay website. They look like that. I love the clear case, so it's easy to see like the ones that you have. And these are $65. So the Quay Sunglass Mini, they come in regular size as well. So if you have like a bigger face shape than mine, then you can do that. So yeah, this is a win-win for me. That's my favorite item so far. And then one last thing, it's Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. And then it illuminates, exfoliates, and strengthens. So it comes in a box like this. Really, really pretty. White and bluish. I love the theme. Everything's like blues and whites. Alright, so it's a pack. And it brings 4 face masks. Very nice. And they're very heavy and like, I love these. These are super cute. So these are going to go in my bathroom with my other ones. I do these every once in a while since I do have very dry skin. So then let's see, how much was this one? There were so many other cool products. I'm not gonna lie, she picked out a lot of things for these boxes. So Aceology, let me see if I can find it. Probably with the skincare. Where are you? Okay, right here. So actually guys, for the pack of 4 is $59. So we got some very expensive face mask. Oh my goodness. But other than that, these are the items that I got. So the face mask, the MC Ice Cream, the Tula Moisturizer, the Uoma Lipstick, her eyeshadow palette, which I'm super excited to use. What else? And the Quay sunglasses, which obviously it's already going in my collection. And the Anastasia clear brow gel. So this is, I can honestly say guys, this was my all-time favorite box that I've ever gotten from Ipsy in all the amount of years that I've been with them. Not because it was created by her, it's just that she picked some really amazing items. Mind you, some other things that she put were Color Wow Hair, so like a volumizer, Pat McGrath, Stila, First Aid Beauty, Juvia's Place, 618 Hair, Benefit Cosmetics, like their primer. She put in there some IGK hair, a lot of skincare. There's a lot of skincare in here. She put in her lip glosses, Lily Lashes, Starface, like the little stars. more skincare. She put a Tarte highlighter. Guys, this is amazing. And then they're also doing a major giveaway. Massive product on $4,000. Be sure to follow us at Ipsy to see how you can enter. But yeah, guys, that was my box, what I received, and I am super happy about it. I'm gonna use every single one of these items. Obviously, I know all of them. The only thing I haven't tried is like the skincare, but I know about all the brands that are in here, so that's what makes me even more excited about these boxes. So I'll link everything down below if you want to join Ipsy, or know more about their boxes and how to get them. They literally have everything on their app. It's super easy to sign up if you want to get them. This video is not sponsored, by the way. This is just my box that I pay for and I receive when they do the 3 months. I usually get the glam bag, which is every month, and this one's every 3 months. So this is the one from Addison Rae, and now next month it'll be the regular glam bag, and then in 3 months we'll get another big box like this. But I'm super excited. I got another pair of glasses to add to my collection. I'll probably be wearing these this weekend. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what was your favorite item from the box, and remember, in my other video, what is it, the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box, we have the giveaway for the orgy palette. So if you want to enter to win the orgy palette, like I said, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, like the video. It has to be only in the US, and comment and let me know that you want to be entered in that video. So just go over, I'll link the video here so you can go over there and let me know that you want to enter. So at 300 subscribers, we'll go ahead and pick the winner for the orgy palette. And then I do have another giveaway coming up, because I already have a lot of makeup stuff that I've gathered that I want to give away to one of you guys. So that one's going to be a very good one as well. But nothing. Thank you. Bye.